Okay, good afternoon, student of Special Education 2020. My name is Professor Ariel Perez. In this evening, I have the pleasure to explain some important facts, some important points about the course. Okay, thank you. Okay, continue with with this PowerPoint. Remember, we are working with the book English, or the core is English for 40 A. Touchdown, and here got to take some interesting feedback about the course. Okay, if you see, we have 5 hours. We are 33 persons, our students in this case, and one online or virtual class. Remember, we are in online, or our classroom is virtual class. Okay, very important to know that. You all try to remember that. Okay, in the feedback I need to refresh is something interesting. I got to explain. Okay, the first activity that you remember was walking. Here we have the day on April 23, 2020. Yet I finished, I am checking the first activity was walking. Later we have the send the link. In the walking, you need to send the link. Of course, all the information you need to upload in the uh, institutional email. Okay, in my email, or I send you in the at the beginning of the course. Okay, the next activity was a Word document. You remember in the document you need to write a short point, a a chart about the pronoun, verb, subject, and later in this document you need to do some interesting or 5 sentences, easy sentence using the pronoun, the verbs. Do you remember? And here, okay. And the last activity that we have is the timeline. The timeline, some students yet upload in the Moodle platform. But in this case, if you have problem to upload the Moodle platform, you got to upload in, in the email. Alright? Okay, good. So, 5 hours. Here we got the feedback, walking, send the link the walking, what's a Word document you upload, and the timeline. That's all. Okay, student, I think so that is all for this activity. That is all for this week. I hope that you enjoy the class, and today we have a some extra activity. Thank you so much.